Oh, you doing it over here?
This way.
You want to look around or?
Yeah, sure. Hello.
Did you have a loyalty card?
Yeah.
Can you do it by surname?
BH149JW.
And what was the surname?
Mundle. MUNDLE.
N-U-N-D-L-E. Do you want your receipt printed or emailed?
No, just give it to me right here.
Printed?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, that's fine. £2 then, please.
I'm here now, just give it to me here.
There we go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have a good day, yeah?
Oh, you've got one.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lose it.
Hang on, let me put this thing. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
No worries, man, you're good.
Okay.
Go on, do your thing. Yes. So, that's another thing. Getting my squeaky balls. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, back in the driving seat. So I just got that little song, hey.